at the smiling sun in the sky. Sana in her sandals is walking on the snow. She is holding a suitcase. I wonder what is inside her suitcase. Oh, I think she is going to open it now. Oh wow! Look at the silver stars. Oh look! A snake is slithering towards her. She is scared, but why is she singing? Snake is feeling sleepy. Snake is snoring. A big spider came crawling over, but it went back in the soil. Sana smiled. Sun, sky, sandals, snow, suitcase, stars, snake, spider, sleepy, snore, smile. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter S. Say it with me. S, 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 snake, s, s, snake. Snake's body is thin. Snakes don't have any arms or legs. Snakes are deaf. Being deaf means they cannot hear any sounds. Snakes need to shed their skin while they grow. Snake. Spider. Spider. Are you scared of spiders? Let's count how many legs the spider has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, spiders are helpful to us. Spiders eat flies, cockroaches, fleas, and mosquitoes. Isn't that great? Spider. Spider. Seahorse. Seahorse. Seahorse is a tiny fish. Their head looks just like a tiny horse. Seahorses are very slow swimmers. Seahorse. Swimmer. Let's look at these pictures. Seahorse, spoon, monkey, ketchup. Which animals begin with the sound S? Does monkey begins with the sound S? No. What about seahorse? Yes, seahorse. And what did you say? Spoon as well? You are absolutely right. Seahorse, spoon.
Like, share and subscribe.